Hey, it's Joel. This is my Gmax 1.5 XT Plus. It's been one of my favorite printers of all time. Gordon and Anna of gCreate are wonderful people. I bought this printer long ago, and it's been responsible for some of the most widely known prints of things I've done on the channel. And I'm giving it away. You can win this. And I'll tell you how right here on 3D Printing Nerd. Welcome back. Let's begin, well, with Midwest RepRap Festival. You know it as that gathering of 3D printer manufacturers and enthusiasts in the middle of nowhere, Goshen, Indiana, Amish country. And we just get together and we talk about 3D printers and 3D printing, and we showcase cool things we've made and printers people have made, and we just have a really good time together. It's almost like a big family reunion. And even though this is Goshen, Indiana, which is a 2.5-hour drive from Chicago, it's a 4-hour drive from Detroit, people from I think 20 countries came last year. It's insane. I have a video that my editor Sean put together that's like 40 minutes long, and it gives you an idea of what went on last year. I'll put a link down in the description, and probably one of those doohickeys up there, so you can click on it and watch it. It was a lot of fun. If you can make it, it's worth the drive, it's worth the plane ticket, it is worth attending, even if just for the dinners and the drinks and the camaraderie. And the Gmax! You like that segue? Professional. This is the Gmax 1.5 XT Plus from gCreate, like I said in the beginning. And this is my personal Gmax, and there's a story here. I was talking with Gordon of gCreate, and we wanted to do something really cool for the Midwest RepRap Festival. I said, why don't we give away a printer? Why don't we give away this printer? He agreed, and he said, I need to talk to Anna, and Anna agreed. So what we're going to do is give this away at Mrrf. You're going to need to be present to win this machine, because they're not gonna ship it to you if you're not there. And the entry will be at the gCreate booth at Mrrf. Details will be available at the booth, and the giveaway will happen sometime Saturday evening. All the details will be revealed at the booth, but this is the machine that you will win. The heated bed, the 3D Printing Nerd sticker right here, all the awesomeness. In fact, what I have to do right now, I have to take it apart and ship it off to gCreate, because what they're going to do is update it to all the latest parts for the 1.5 XT Plus, and then drive it from New York to Goshen, Indiana, so that you may have a chance at winning it. Thank you for all your service. Now I'm gonna take you apart. The Midwest RepRap Festival is always a giant gathering, and it's full of nerditry of all different types, but there's always a few things that I'm really looking forward to seeing. And well, let's start with some of the people. I know Tom and Stefan, you know them from the Melt Zone podcast, they're coming. I think JT from Australia is coming. Daniel Noré, thanks to a GoFundMe, is actually making it over, which is amazing. The Matter Hackers team will be there. Printed Solid will be there. You know, the guys from CBC&C will be there. I would imagine Lolspot will be there. Garrett and Chelsea from Chaos Cortec will be there. Midnight Giant will be there. Even Chuck Hellebuck, my buddy, my brother from another mother. It's going to be an amazing time. There's 3 projects that I've really been looking forward to. The first one is from Jason Prius? He did those baskets that kind of, you lifted the lever and the basket came out. He has this technique of printing full color with a single nozzle using light refraction. It's incredible, and once you see how he's doing it, it just blows your mind. So that will be there. I'm really looking forward to seeing that. Also, James Cameron. No, not the Titanic James Cameron. Although, Rose, there was plenty of room for Jack on that, was it a raft? No, it was like a floating piece of ship. Whatever. Hey, Rose, you know what? There was plenty of room for Jack on that. You are a killer. James Cameron, you know him as JC Print and Play, I think is what it is. He is debuting Ready Printer 1. It's an arcade cabinet. And what was really cool is I was actually part of the design process, because he thought about making a traditional cabinet, and I said, dude, this is 3D printing, make it unique. And unique is exactly what it is. And it looks amazing. He has a Patreon where he's been telling people about it and keeping up with the progress. So I'll put a link down to the Patreon there. Also, lastly, the White Knight printer from Knack 3D. It's a belt printer, but imagine taking the printer belt design and making it more like the black belt, but this is completely 100% basement built, garage built, and the goal of this is not for him to sell a bunch of printers, it's to release open source. So I get the feeling the printer belt is not the last open source belt-driven 3D printer that we're gonna see in the community, and I can't wait to see this machine up close. People at a Printed Solid meetup actually got to see it up close in person first, and I'm so jealous because I didn't get a chance to do that. You know what, with that, let's just close it up. Let's call this a Mrrf video. I will see you there at the Midwest RepRap Festival, March 29th, 30th, and 31st in Goshen, Indiana. Links in the description will tell you how to get there. The tickets, they say, are sold out, but that's just for people to get lanyards and t-shirts and whatnot. If you show up, you can get in completely free, and that's how it will always be. I need to get this packed up and sent off to gCreate so they can upgrade it, put it together, and bring it to Mrrf, and I wish you the best of luck in winning my Gmax printer. Gonna miss ya. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to hug each other more. I love you guys. As always, high five.